Exploring the timeless beauty of Hallstatt, Austria. Introduction. Embark on a captivating journey to the enchanting village of Hallstatt, nestled amidst the picturesque Austrian Alps. Renowned for its breathtaking natural scenery, rich history, and quaint charm, Hallstatt promises an unforgettable trip filled with awe-inspiring vistas, cultural treasures, and a serene atmosphere. Join me as we delve into the wonders of this remarkable destination. Day 1: Arrival and Village Exploration. Upon arriving in Hallstatt, prepare to be spellbound by its idyllic setting. With the towering Dachstein Mountains as a backdrop and the glistening Hallstatter See, Lake Hallstatt, in the foreground, the village exudes a sense of tranquility and serenity. Take a leisurely stroll through the narrow streets, adorned with charming pastel-colored houses and flower-filled balconies, and immerse yourself in the town's timeless atmosphere. Don't miss the chance to visit the iconic Hallstatt Marktplatz, Market Square, and admire the centuries-old buildings that reflect the village's rich heritage. Day 2: Discovering Hallstatt's history. Hallstatt is renowned for its archaeological significance, and today you'll have the opportunity to explore its historical treasures. Begin with a visit to the Hallstatt salt mine, which dates back over 7,000 years. Descend into the depths of the mountain and learn about the fascinating history of salt mining while enjoying breathtaking underground views. Afterward, head to the Hallstatt Bone House, a small chapel adorned with over 1,200 exquisitely decorated skulls, a unique testament to Hallstatt's custom of grave recycling. Day 3: Natural Splendors and the Skywalk. Prepare for a day of natural wonders as you venture into the captivating surroundings of Hallstatt. Hop on a boat and cruise along Lake Hallstatt, marveling at the shimmering waters and the majestic alpine peaks that rise dramatically on all sides. Disembark at the picturesque village of Obertraun and take a cable car up to the Dachstein Mountains. Experience the awe-inspiring Five Fingers viewpoint, offering breathtaking panoramic vistas of the Austrian Alps. For the adrenaline enthusiasts, a visit to the Dachstein Ice Cave or the Mammoth Cave is a must. Day 4: Hallstatt Museum and Traditional Culture. Delve deeper into Hallstatt's rich culture and heritage by visiting the Hallstatt Museum. Explore the museum's extensive collection of artifacts and exhibits, showcasing the village's history from prehistoric times to the present day. Gain insights into the region's ancient civilization, traditional crafts, and the unique Hallstatt culture. Don't forget to savor the local cuisine at one of the traditional Austrian restaurants, where you can indulge in hearty delicacies like Wiener Schnitzel, Zahortorte, and Apfelstrudel. Day 5: Outdoor Adventures and Alpine Beauty. For the adventure seekers, Hallstatt offers an array of outdoor activities to immerse yourself in the breathtaking natural beauty of the region. Embark on a scenic hike or bike ride along the well-marked trails that crisscross the mountains, offering mesmerizing vistas at every turn. If you visit during the winter months, Hallstatt transforms into a snowy wonderland, perfect for skiing, snowboarding, or simply enjoying the serene ambience of a winter retreat and captivating allure of Hallstatt, leaving you with lifelong memories and a desire to return. Day 6: Lakeside Serenity and Water Activities. Spend a day basking in the serene ambience of Lake Hallstatt. Rent a paddleboat or a kayak and venture out onto the crystal-clear waters, surrounded by the majestic mountains. Feel the gentle breeze against your face as you explore hidden coves and secluded spots along the shoreline. Take a refreshing swim in the lake's pristine waters, or simply relax on the lakeside beach and soak up the sun while enjoying the breathtaking alpine views. Day 7: Day Trips to Nearby Attractions. Hallstatt serves as an ideal base for exploring the surrounding region. Take a day trip to nearby attractions such as the picturesque village of St. Wolfgang or the imperial city of Salzburg, birthplace of the legendary composer Mozart. Discover the Baroque architecture, charming streets, and cultural landmarks that have made these places renowned worldwide. Return to Hallstatt in the evening, appreciating the tranquility and familiarity of your home base. Day 8: Traditional Handicrafts and Souvenir Shopping. Before bidding farewell to Hallstatt, take some time to explore the local handicrafts and bring a piece of this enchanting village home with you. Visit the workshops and boutiques where artisans create intricate lacework, wooden crafts, and delicate ceramics. Shop for souvenirs, including traditional dirndls, Austrian dresses, handmade jewelry, or a jar of locally harvested Hallstatt salt, as a reminder of your unforgettable journey. Day 9: Farewell to Hallstatt. As your trip draws to a close, take a moment to savor the beauty and tranquility of Hallstatt one last time. Capture the essence of the village through photographs or simply sit by the lake, absorbing the peaceful atmosphere and reflecting on the experiences you've had. Bid farewell to the friendly locals who have made your stay truly special, leaving with a sense of gratitude and the promise to return to this magical place. Hallstatt, Austria, with its breathtaking natural scenery, rich history, and captivating village charm, offers an extraordinary trip for travelers seeking a blend of cultural immersion, outdoor adventures, and serene relaxation. From exploring the salt mines and museums to embracing the alpine beauty and partaking in water activities on Lake Hallstatt, each day in this picturesque destination is filled with discovery and wonder. Prepare to be captivated by the timeless allure of Hallstatt, an experience that will stay with you long after you bid farewell to this enchanting village.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.